Hey everybody, John JMC here. So excuse the fact I've lost my voice, but you join me in my garage where I've been working on the 08, and I've finally got all the amplifier, preamp, and the speaker to line level converter all sorted basically. Now it's been a bit of a ball ache actually. So yeah, you can see there's a couple of little repair jobs that basically I've done. So the little missing pieces there, repaired all the pieces on the top there. The other thing I've also done as well is the cab is basically empty, well apart from that, so we'll do a false floor. And the other thing I've also done is I've enlarged the rear windows on the back. I need to stick the wipers on, I've just realised. But yeah, basically, so what we've got now in here is we've got DCC sound provided by engineman Jamie Goodwin, and it's a case of we can now basically control everything. So we'll fire it up. And what you'll notice is as the engine fires up as well, we'll get a plume of smoke. And then after a while that will settle down. And the smoke will basically stop. There we are. So that's basically the cold start. If it was a warm start, it would cut the smoke off a lot quicker. But yeah, cold start, it tends to smoke a little bit more. Obviously, I know for a fact that the 08s don't particularly smoke that much. Yeah, so we've got the controller. So what we'll do is hold the dead man's. The ignition circuit on the 4QD is basically disabled, so this loco is not going to move anywhere. But what this will do is this will give me the ability to demo the sound for you. So basically every time the sound revs, it will smoke, and then you will stop, and then you rev again, and everything go all the way up to full power, and then full power basically it will keep the smoke on until you turn it back down again. So yeah, if we just accelerate, so that's the brake release. Dead man, so I have to cycle it. And again, if I increase the revs, smokes again. If I ever get to that point, this thing will be absolutely flying. So yeah, dead man's again. And basically, if we drop the throttle back, so just for demo purposes, I've also got F9 wired up just up to the smoker, so I can just sit it in the sidings. We also have the working lamps, so if I put it in reverse and engage drive, you'll see it'll change direction, change back to forward. There we are. I do have the cab light in there, but unfortunately that is the last piece of the puzzle. So for some reason that is not working at this time. Goody. So I need to do some bit of investigation as to what's going on there. But yeah. There we are. Thanks for watching.